on the topic of this video, we were actually discussing whether, the Facebook marketing expert, are they legit? A lot of you probably have received some emails from Facebook saying that, hey, I'm a Facebook marketing expert and I observed that you have been running ads. I would like to schedule a call with you to give you some recommendations about your campaign and all that. Now, most of the time, I actually kind of like heard from someone else that, even the marketing expert can be some scam because you see, very simple. If they're only asking to have a call with you to give you recommendations, I think they are legit. And usually you can see all the emails or whatever scheduling from directly from the facebook.com domain. So that should be right. Now, on the other hand, I actually spotted somebody actually raised it to me saying that if they are offering something like free advertising, coaching, and all this kind of thing, then definitely they are not directly from Facebook, because the Facebook marketing expert is going to give you suggestions and advice for a period of time. Now, coaching wise, somebody actually told me that they were being offered like 20 times Facebook coaching or something like that. I do not know what the hell is that, right? But that is shady. But this one is legit. Now, this is Ken. Ken, obviously, I'm not sure whether this is the real name. Ken is actually a marketing expert from Facebook. And he said, yeah, they were saying, he's saying that, he learned a lot of things, from all the discussions with all the clients and advertisers and all that. I think he pointed something right. To be frank, the marketing expert doesn't really offer promise. It's more like based on whatever they learn about your campaign and whatever they learn from whatever training they are going through, they're offering you some different angle of looking at it. Like, to be frank, recently, one of my coaches reported something very interesting because, recently, Facebook has been pushing heavily on the audience targeting, the detailed targeting expansion, meaning that, they will always encourage you to go expansion to reach more people. Hopefully, we can actually get better audiences and all that. I was told by my coachee that actually gotten very good result from that one. So you should actually take a look at that angle. But nonetheless, I would say, even as for me, I've been running ads for a really long time. I would say every time I talk to the marketing expert, I learn something interesting. I may not agree with them entirely, but I think it's more like, we don't know what we don't know, you see. My good friend Manfred always liked to actually quote this. This is one of his favorite quote. He said, really, a lot of times we thought that we know everything, but to be frank, the thing, especially Facebook advertising, is a fast-changing topic. I think it's not harmful to listen to more different perspective kind of thing.